mission of Legal Aid of East Tennessee is to strengthen communities and to change lives through high-quality legal services. And Sheri Fox with Legal Aid is here this morning to share with us the details of a very special award ceremony and fundraiser Legal Aid of East Tennessee has coming up later this week. Thank you for being here.
Happy to be here. Good morning.
Let's talk about Legal Aid of East Tennessee. A lot of folks may not know what you're all about. Tell us about it.
Okay, short and sweet, we provide free, no-cost legal services to people who can't afford an attorney.
Right.
Now, lots of people are, familiar with the Miranda rights, or
right.
this idea that if you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed and paid for by the state. That's in criminal cases. In most civil cases, anything that's not a criminal matter, you have to pay for your own attorney,
right.
and that can get very, very expensive. So, as the mission states, we help low-income, abused, elderly, and otherwise vulnerable East Tennesseans with legal problems. A lot of people don't realize that there are many problems, issues, situations where legal help, there's a legal solution to a problem.
Right.
And so that's what we do in 26 East Tennessee counties, including right here out of our Johnson City office and a Family Justice Center here and up in Blountville.
And you have all these lawyers that work pro bono. And basically, in layman's terms, that means they work for free.
Right. We have paid lawyers on staff at Legal Aid,
right.
and then we use a lot of volunteer lawyers,
right.
as is true of most nonprofits, especially a nonprofit law firm.
Right.
You just don't have the funding you need
right.
to help everyone who needs your help. So our great lawyers who work in law firms or government volunteer and help our clients, and so without them we couldn't do all the great work we're able to do, and they support us by volunteering, as I said, by donating and helping with fundraisers like the one we have coming up this week.
And you said you had a story you'd like to share with us about someone who received the benefits of Legal Aid of East Tennessee.
This is one of many examples, and
right.
one you might not think of.
Right.
We had a grandmother, and I don't use names
right.
for privacy and other reasons.
We understand completely.
A grandmother came to us. She had been caring for her two grandchildren ever since her daughter and son-in-law had passed away in a car wreck. But you have to take certain legal steps in order to obtain medical care and
right.
other benefits, education and things for children. So we helped this grandmother adopt her two grandchildren, which is one of the happiest proceedings a judge can, over which a judge can reside. And the adoption was final on her birthday, on the grandmother's birthday.
Fantastic.
So there's a happy ending. You wouldn't think a lawyer necessarily
right.
would need to help you when you are taking care of your own grandchildren, but it was very important to take care of the legal aspects of that.
And that's, I know the judge was happy to do that, but that has got to be something that you all are proud of too, as an organization, to be able to help folks with situations like that.
Absolutely, and we help people stay in their homes,
right.
we help domestic violence victims find a safe place and solve the legal problems that come along with that horrible situation. Mm-hmm. We have a fairly new grant where we serve East Tennesseans 60 and over at 200% of the federal poverty level with all kinds of things, getting their affairs in order, obtaining government benefits, preserving their homes, vehicles and things like that. So it's very, very rewarding work.
All right, and let's talk about this fundraiser, because you got a lot going on here. It's an award ceremony plus a fundraiser. Tell us all about it.
Yes, the award ceremony part's very exciting. We'll recognize the local lawyers, the volunteer or pro bono lawyers who have helped us so much. We also, one of the awards will induct our first local lawyer into the Tony Seaton Hall of Fame. Tony Seaton has been a big supporter of ours for years and access to justice in general in Tennessee and beyond. Right. Justice Roger Page from the Tennessee Supreme Court is coming down to present local lawyers with another award, Attorneys for Justice. Any lawyer, not a legal aid lawyer, well, legal aid lawyers too, who volunteer over 50 hours or over of free legal advice are named Attorneys for Justice. So Justice Page will be presenting those. And then we have a silent auction. So we will raise money that way, and then we accept donations there on our website or any way you want to give it to us. We're happy to have all the help we can get, because then we can serve more people.
Well, thank you so much for stopping by today.
Thank you.
We appreciate it.
My
We've
pleasure.
got the information for you right now on this big event coming up. Heritage of Justice Jubilee, Thursday, August 23rd, 5:30 p.m. right down the road here at Tipton Haynes Historical Site. There's a number and there's a website for more information.